Hello everyone. So I'll start posting my live trading session from today onwards. Let's see. So the trend, as we can see, the trend is clearly bullish on the hourly. And yeah, let me. So will I try to trade the open? Uh, I am opening my other uh, screen here on. Yeah. Let's try to take some trades. Let's try to see. The market is like quite sideways, or you can say range bound in the overnight session. Let's just try to draw the overnight range and see if we get something out of it. Market is going to open in 3 minutes. So as we can see, it is clearly an uptrend on the hourly, and we can see this level, which is also a good area of previous resistance. So we can easily see an upside target till here. So I'll try to get into longs, and this would be a good area to get long this zone. So this stream is for me for now. I just want to hold myself accountable and focus on the process rather than the results. So on the hourly is range bound. If we see a breakdown, we can easily see a retracement till these two red levels. So I try to trade them, as you can see. I trade based on the range. If I see anyone joining, then I get more serious about like explaining my strategy because it's all in my mind right now. Let's see. Let's try to make ourselves accountable and get into some good trades. Hmm. Yeah, we have taken the overnight lows right about here. Now, if we get some good trades to enter, yeah, we can see this range has been broken now. And the whole liquidity has been taken around here. Uh, take into account the volatility. Market is not directional at the open. We can see a green candle or a red candle again, two green candle. So this might be a good place for a short. Let me adjust my size. But yeah, until we get something clear, something which says which tells us about the intentions of the market, we're going to hold up our trades. We're not going to rush anything here. We need to maintain a good risk reward. So we can see we are rejecting from the top of this channel, but I won't take any trade because the range itself is too small. I'll consider taking a trade after we see a nice breakdown of this opening low, and there is also a level around here of 390. We can bounce from 390, so we can come here and then we might get an opportunity for a long. As you can see, we are inside this high end low. So it's a pretty tricky place to get ourselves into any kind of trades. We want to at least see the break of these two areas. Then we can consider anything after that. So, so as you can see, we are forming a new channel around here. But yeah, it needs to sustain. So you can see, yeah, if we really breaks above this high and get a nice area for our entry, then we'll consider getting into a long position. The next target will be around 500. So, so if it breaks above, yeah, we can clearly see. We can put our asset here. But as you can see, there are a lot of sellers here. So they might come back again and test this login. So we have to like wait for some time. Yeah, I'm taking the breakout of this. Yeah, we can see that. Yeah, we have a stable around this area. Let's try to get into this now from here. I'll put myself below this wick. So my risk is pretty low on this one. And I'll add more if we break this high. For now, I'm placing around this 499 zone. This is a good trade, but I don't have any trading location right now until we get any lower high and then a push above from this high. Until then, I cannot trade this position. So, yeah, I'm slightly trading the position. It will just reduce my risk because we are seeing continuous buying and sellers are trying, but yeah, they cannot. They're trying hard, but As you can see till now, others are struggling. Yeah, this is the lower high. If it breaks this high, I'll till my SL till here. And if not, then I'll just take this $50 as well. Pretty simple. I'm trading a simple price action, so there's nothing to worry about. Take this $50 as well. Pretty simple. I'm trading a simple price action, so there's nothing to worry about. So I can just put my SL to break even now. Take this $50 as well. Pretty simple. I'm trading a simple price action, so there's nothing to worry about. So I can just put my SL to break even now. Take this $50 as well. Pretty simple. I'm trading a simple price action, so there's nothing to worry about. So I can just put my SL to break even now. Take this $50 as well. Pretty simple. I'm trading a simple price action, so there's nothing to. As we can see, we have taken the liquidity of this high, overnight high. That liquidity is at around 88. So we have tested 82. The volatility is pretty less compared to some other days we see. So there's nothing much to consider here. We have to take our targets. Okay, we are taking a support around this area. So I'm adding one, two more. So now I'm in the five micro position, and myself I won't take any loss on this. So it's a pretty good trade. This is how you should trade the price action. I took the trade after this bounce or this from the 7 SMA. If we reject from here, so we are rejecting, so I'm clearing two here because we might come and like flush this as a double top. So I made some profit on this retracement also. And if this gets above this higher, then we can easily see the next target. Hmm. It's a nice fit. We took out this high, so I'm squeezing it further. And we want any loss. For me, sure. It's mostly so yeah, squeezing it further. And we want any loss. For me, sure. It's mostly we'll get more long
So yeah,
opportunities from around this zone, squeezing it further. And we want any loss. For me, sure. It's mostly we'll get. So if we get a break of this high, I'm going to enter again. And there is some iceberg selling happening here. So if the seller dominates and push this to the downside, then we will try to join the shorts on the next retracement. But I am not going to get involved into any shorts right at the very top. I'll wait until I see some sign that are there and they're dominating. But right, we can see that buyers are still very much present. And so this is a tug of war. I have to preserve my capital. Okay, we see a clear break of this high. Mm, the volume was really nice on this one. But yeah, it would be better if we get some follow through and then I'll think of joining it again. Yeah. If it comes down and rejects from here, I'll try to join again. Or I can join here with a lower quantity and then add more. Let's wait. The middle of the channel, so I don't want to take any trade from here. I'll take if it comes in. There's no follow through after this breakout. The volume was huge on the big order, so there was a lot of sell orders, stop losses here. So it's still like we didn't also get any downside push, so I'm going to join again. And I'll add further if I get a better location. For now, my SL is around this. I'll, I'll add more after we break this high. If we break this high, I'll add more. Sellers are trying, buyers are also trying, sellers are dominating. Okay, plus this runs out this recent scenario. Hmm. That's why I entered with low position size because I knew this was a tricky area to enter. But the buyers seem pretty in control here, so that's why I decided to mm, start with a small position size. Um, so that's still struggling. So I'm going to enter two more. So that's how I'm building a position size. If we get till here, we are pretty likely to touch down this your this swing here. So that is okay. Let me get to my position size. So we're seeing some selling here, but it's not that violent. So I'm gonna try again. This time I'll try with a fixed risk reward to compensate for the recent loss. I'll try to get back. If trust is down, if we trust this low, then I'm going to wait until I get more clarity. I'm still wrong bias. That's why I'm trying to enter here. And I usually get this target. See, that's what I was talking about. We got a huge volume after we break this high, but we didn't see any strong selling. So that means that there is still some room for it to go higher. At the very least, we'll test this high again. But yeah, so right now it looks pretty two-sided to me with some with my bias to the upside. Not a great place to so we take break this high again. Then I'll move my stop loss to the break even. Right now it's fine. My risk is well managed. I can take this trade and wait for it to like hit my target. And if this breaks is low, then there's a good chance that sellers will take more control of the market and some buyers will take themselves out. It's discretion. Just have to manage our risk properly. Hmm. That's a trying, but yeah, I'm going to add two more if we get another green candle. Yeah, we didn't get it, so I'm not going to add further. I will take the stop loss. But if we close above this, I will add two more. That's how you should add to your winners and save yourself some money. I've added two more. Never risk too much. Like, give yourself some flexibility. Give yourself some space to play, to think. Yeah, we still haven't touched 511. We can easily see the next level is 511. So I'm expecting it to at least test that high, test that level, mm, take out the liquidity of this high. Sellers are still not in control. And it's you can easily see a huge green candle here. I'm not going to trail the SL until like I get this high taken out. But right now it's little bit rangy, but nothing to right now it's not looking that bad. Mm, This is like a bull flag. We have to be just careful of our stop loss. We don't want to get unnecessarily taken out. We have to give some breathing room to our trade. The market is clearly ranging here. So we have to take that into account and not get swayed away by this zigzag movement because our higher time frame bias is clearly bullish. You can see here. We have already made a support over this overnight range. So it's a support above the overnight range. So probabilities are rather favoring longs here instead of shorts. I'm just doing what the market is telling me. I'm not trying to get trapped into any kind of confirmation bias. The more we hold here, the better impulse we will get. Whether to the upside or downside, it doesn't matter, but yeah, we will get some strong move. It's like it's the opposite. But yeah, still haven't taken me out. So, I mean, yeah, we took a lot of SL here. There was nice volume to this move, but the obviously didn't follow through. More often than not, it's a sign of a take move. You can see that's what I was talking about. Because the volume was there, but it was not after the breakout. The sustainable breakout is the one in which you see volume after the breakout and you follow through after that. We didn't get any of that. So yeah, I got taken out. Still, we haven't taken this low, but I'm going to hold off for longs for now. We need, I would like it to break the this downward channel, and then I'll think of getting into long. Yeah, actually, it looks great for a long ago, but I have to wait. Yeah, it looks good. We see some continuous green candles here, then we can be sure of some buying opportunities. See, so we are basically in a range, so there is nothing for us to do here other than waiting and looking for some better opportunity. You can see that volume. Okay, so okay, this was the news here, and market is still sideways. It's right where started, taken as on both sides. It would have hit the target. Okay, so we took out some major liquidity down there and came back and we just came back right back to this channel. So I'm thinking of going into long here. Yes, is good. The volatility has picked up. So let's try to get as much as we can out of it. So still exactly in that range. So, yeah, buyers are picking it up. So we took all the essence here, we took all the essence to the downside, but we can. Why I uh, tried this wrong is because we came back right back into this channel after taking the liquidity above and then flushing all the assets to the downside. Made it pretty clear that the market is clearly still bullish and it's nothing more than a retracement. As you can see, it's also a lower high. We didn't trust this one, so